Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we are going to show our new add-on to you, and which is the FootStation Pack. This add-on is especially for EinScan Pro 2X Plus, which means if you have EinScan Pro 2X Plus, you can buy this add-on to scan your feet easier. So as you can see in the image, the station looks like in the rectangle shape, and on the top there are markers in the shape of your feet, and on the bottom there is mirror that can reflect the feet bottom, so that the scanner can capture the bottom data as well. Let's go to see how it works. So basically this is the interface of the software, and before you scanning you need to fill in the customer information, your name, your gender, your age, your email, etc. Just because after scanning you will not only get the scan data but also a personalized report of your feed. So after the information is filled, you can click next for scanning. So the way to scan is also just similar like how you use your EinScan Pro 2X Plus before. You need to mind the brightness adjustment. You need to mind the distance between the scanner and your feet, as well as the angle of your scanner. Make it to be perpendicular to your feet. And there is also one more point you need to be careful that make sure there is no light source directly on the top of the FootStation. Otherwise, the mirror of the station will reflect the light on the top, so that will impact the scan quality. And usually for me, I took 1 minute to get the complete scan of your 2 feet. So after scan, you can click next to process the data. And the software will merge the bottom data and the top data automatically to get a complete watertight data. So here is the data, and as you can see the feet arc clearly, and which this part is especially important for feet scanning. So you can also continue to supplement scan if you think there is some missing part. You can just upload your data, saving it, and also upload your data to get your personalized report. The uploading process will take around 1 minute. Click report list to find your report, and then you can open it. The report will be saved in PDF file, and you can open it to review. So here is the foot measurement and analysis report after uploading. As you can see here, it gives the dimensions of your feet, your left and right foot. And it will also show you the degree of your feet deformity in terms of your toes, feet width, ball girth, instep, arc, and etc. And it will also show the multi-view of your foot 3D data. Besides showing the demonstration of our FootStation Pack, I would also like to share some my knowledge about the FootScan application. So basically, I think it could be divided into two main applications. One is for making customized shoes, and the other one is for making orthotic insoles. So for making customized shoes, I think people just like businessmen who traveling a lot and wearing the leather shoes all days. And for athletes and jokers, customized shoes can help them to get a better sports performance. And for orthotic insoles, as you may know, that foot disease troubles a lot of people, and the survey also shows that just in terms of China, there are around 30 million patients suffering from foot disease. However, besides surgery, orthotic insole is the only way to help to cure it. So the traditional way of making orthotic insole is like one is for a plaster of foot casting, and the other one is foam impression. You put your feet on the foam and you get the shape. These two ways have disadvantage of boring design. The process may be dirty, and the process will take a long time, and the accuracy is not that high. So right now we offer this totally new solution, which is scanning your feet with our FootStation. Then you put your scan data into professional insole software to design the orthotic insole, and then you just get it printed in the 3D printer. Well, this is the whole presentation about our FootStation part, and thank you very much.